Cool. Right, man. How we doing? Right. So first and foremost, I just want to cover the photos that we done, and it is a magic difference, mate. Like so much better. So just comparing the two photos that we had before to what we're at now, there is a massive difference. Like such a bigger difference. A lot more size around the chest, a lot more around the shoulders, and mate, the quads are looking fucking on point compared to where we were before. A lot more swept. The body fat level is the exact same, which is brilliant as well, especially since the goal is physique based. So yeah, all around, man, we're ticking boxes right from the get go, which is superb. No roadblocks hit so far. Um, on that actual, and on that point even, in terms of calories, I'm going to get you to up them about 250. I'll put this in a point when I email it over to you. But yeah, up the calories by 250. Since our body fat hasn't been affected, we really want to push that limit. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to up them 250 so that we can put on more size, we can apply more intensity, and essentially just start shifting more weight and getting more muscle pounded on, which is awesome, man. Going over your form, your actual sheet itself, we're looking good. We're looking really nice. Recovery's looking good. Our sleep's looking solid. We're not stressed out as much. The water doesn't make a big difference, but even at that, we are still ticking boxes. 4 litres a day would definitely recommended where we're at the moment. And obviously, like you mentioned as well, we are up in terms of weight, and it's definitely not in body fat, so it's only got to be in muscle, mate, which is gold. The one part I wanted to address, obviously, was the concussion. I hope that's not giving us any bother, or if there's anything that's affecting you with that. Obviously, I know you're spending more time in the gym, which is good for us, but obviously you want to be as good in the rugby pitch as well, and for to benefit you on the pitch as well as off. So if that is affecting your ability to apply intensity, let me know, and we can discuss that. It's not something I'm particularly experienced in knowing about, but if it is hurting or giving us headaches or migraines, etc., then take your foot off the gas a little bit. But if not, we're doing well, man, because like we were mentioning here, with your strength and performance numbers, and mine's awesome. Yeah, if numbers are pushing well, I don't see much reason to change anything in terms of the actual program, except probably just upping the general intensity to work coincided with the increase in calories. And recovery is perfect as well. 7, obviously just a touch sore after, which is good. A day after is not too bad, as long as we're not sore 2-3 days after each session. Then we're solid. Apart from that, man, I'm happy just to leave that there. Keep it short and sharp. You are absolutely killing it right now, so keep flying that flag high, man, because we are in a good place at the moment. The first month is being nailed down, so we just got to keep that intensity, keep that persistence about us, and we will get where we want to be by this time next month. And I'm really really excited to see where we actually are over the 2-month block. So keep up, mate. Let me know if there's anything you want to apply to the program. If there's any insight from you or anything you feel like I should know, then let me know as soon as possible, and I will address that as soon as possible. But other than that, mate, we're doing gold. So keep it up. All right. So have a good week, mate, and I will speak to you soon.